because he ruled out raising a dime on taxes on anyone ever, no matter how much money they make. Ruled out closing those loopholes that are giving $4 billion of corporate welfare to the oil companies. Refused to even acknowledge the loophole that gives tax breaks to corporations that move jobs overseas. When he was asked what he would do to actually cut spending and reduce the deficit, he said he'd eliminate public television funding. So don't boo now. But I just want to make sure I got this straight. He'll get rid of regulations on Wall Street, but he's going to crack down on Sesame Street. Thank goodness somebody's finally cracking down on Big Bird. Who knew that he was responsible for all these deficits? Elmo's got to watch out. The fact is, the guy playing Mitt Romney last night, his math doesn't add up.